Morning, mate. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome to Project Management 101, where we simplify construction and give you the tools to lead with confidence. The plans are drawn, the approvals are in, and the groundwork has been laid. Now it's time for the real action to begin. Boots on the ground, cranes in the air, and deadlines on the horizon. The construction phase is where plans stop being lines on paper and start becoming bricks, steel, glass, and systems. It's a time where every decision, every delivery, and every hour counts. Construction management is the art and the science of active delivery, coordinating people, resources, schedules, and compliance so your project doesn't just get built, it gets built right. From site establishment to final inspection, your role is to make sure all of the moving parts of the project work in sync. Picture this: the site is buzzing, trucks are arriving, trades are working shoulder to shoulder. But the material you needed yesterday is still on the dock. The crane permit expired last week, and the subcontractor for today's critical task is stuck waiting for an induction that never happened. That's not just bad luck, that's bad management. Our goal in Module 10 of this training series is to make sure those situations never happen on any of your projects. Step by step, we'll guide you through the processes of effective construction management, along with all the tips and the tricks that separate the average project managers from the truly great ones. Here's just some of what you'll learn this module. Mobilisation and site establishment. How to set up your site safely, efficiently, and ready for action. How to create and implement your full suite of management plans, including CMPs, EMPs, SMPs, WMPs, and TMPs. If you can already name all of those, you're off to a good start. You'll learn construction programming, how to maintain and update a project schedule so that everything runs like clockwork and you always stay 2 moves ahead. How to coordinate subcontractors, materials, and deliveries, balancing the people, the products, and the lead times without the chaos. How to formally report progress throughout the build, keeping stakeholders informed with clear and timely updates. Compliance tracking, how to make sure permits and regulatory conditions are always front of mind and kept in check. Workforce safety, setting the standards that keeps everyone safe on site, including inductions, swims, and PPE. How to roll out the safety basics so that everyone understands and follows. Even with your best efforts, sometimes accidents still happen. We'll discuss incident and near-miss reporting for those circumstances. Also, daily pre-starts and toolbox talks, your way of building safety into the rhythm of the typical day. WHS&E reporting, safety walks and audits, creating leadership visibility that drives a culture of safety on site. We'll also cover how to develop and implement a quality control plan for your site that actually works, including inspections, testing, and auditing, setting up the procedures and frequencies that catch issues early, quality metrics and acceptance criteria, establishing the quality benchmarks that your site, materials, and workmanship need to meet, how to identify, manage, and rectify non-conformances or defects both efficiently and effectively. We'll also talk supervision, resourcing, and training, how to give your team the skills, structure, and support to perform and deliver the expected standard. Those topics, plus a whole lot more ahead. But the key takeaway here, you could have the best design in the whole world, but without effective construction management, your project will have delays, overruns, safety, and quality issues that nobody wants to own. But don't sweat it. By the end of this module, you'll know how to confidently balance time, cost, quality, safety, and risk without strangling productivity. As always, we'll kick things off with a high-level flowchart giving you a bird's eye view of the entire construction phase and all its key milestones and activities. In the following module videos, we'll dive deeper into each task, showing you exactly how to execute them on your own projects like a seasoned pro. Alright team, the clock is ticking and the site is waiting. Let's get to work.
Module 10. The construction phase. Construction management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss any of our latest content. We'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment with any topics you want us to cover next, and we'll tackle the ones that matter the most to you. And if you're ready to take your project management to the next level, join our online community for access to hundreds of templates, documents, and resources. Everything you need to manage and deliver your construction projects with confidence. All right, team, link below in the description. I'll catch you on the inside. Bye.